Hello students, welcome to online class. Now we will do some questions of exercise 8.2 which are totally based on the table which we have discussed in our last lecture. So let's start. Here we have part number 3rd of question number 1. Equation is cos 45. You have to find out the value of this term which is cos 45 secant 30 degree plus cosecant 30 degree. So first of all, find out the value of these angles from the table. So let's start. First is cos 45 degree. Find out the value of this term from the table which is equal to 1 by square root of 2. In the denominator we have secant 30 which is the reciprocal of cos 30 and which is equal to 2 by square root of 3. Next is cosecant 30 which is the reciprocal of sin 30 and which is equal to 2. Now we will do the solution. How can we solve this term? First of all, in the denominator we can take the LCM. So in the numerator write the term as it is and in the denominator take the LCM. So we have the LCM square root of 3. We can cancel this term. Then we have 2 plus here we have 1. Take the LCM. Then this is equal to 2 square root of 3. Here we have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. How can we simplify these terms? Just do the reciprocal of the term of denominator. So we have square root of 3 and 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Multiply 1 multiply by square root of 3 and in denominator multiply this term. Then in first number we have 2 square root of 2 plus ये दोनों टर्म्स स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस टर्म्स. सो वी हैव 2 3 जा 6. नेक्स्ट इज, वैसे ये हमारा आंसर हो सकता है बट इन द डिनोमिनेटर वी हैव स्क्वायर रूट टर्म्स. That's why we have to further simplify these terms. And how can we simplify? When we have a square root term in the denominator, then we will do the rationalize the terms. Rationalize. हमने ये 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ा है कि rationalize हम कैसे करते हैं. Multiply and divide the same terms but change the sign. So we will multiply these terms. So this is the rationalize of these terms. Rationalize, that means multiply the same term and multiply the same term but change the sign. तो हमने यहाँ पर ये साइन को चेंज किया. नाउ फर्दर सॉल्यूशन, मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस टर्म्स. सो वी हैव स्क्वायर रूट की टर्म्स जो है वो आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होंगी. बच्चे यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं किसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. स्क्वायर रूट के टर्म्स को आपस में हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वी हैव हियर 3 2 जा 6 स्क्वायर रूट टर्म्स. सो वी हैव हियर 6 3 जा 18. इन द डिनोमिनेटर रेशनलाइज के बाद ऑलवेज यहाँ एक फॉर्मूला आइडेंटिटी बनती है a प्लस बी a माइनस बी which is equal to a square minus b square. This is our a, this is our b. So we have here an identity a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we'll write here 2 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 6. 18 square root of 18. We can solve this term. Square root of 18, 2, 9, then 3, then 3. So we can write in place of 18 3 square root of 2. In the denominator, solve this term. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4, 6 4 ja 24. न्यूमरेटर से हम 2 को कॉमन ले सकते हैं. Subtract these terms. We have minus 16. We can cancel this term. In the denominator we have negative sign. तो इसको हम यहाँ पर इस तरह से नहीं रखेंगे. नेगेटिव को हम न्यूमरेटर में लेके आएंगे. That's why we have to change this sign of these terms. So this is our final answer. So पूरे क्वेश्चन जो है वो डिपेंड करता है टेबल से. अगर आपने वैल्यू करेक्ट चूज की है तो आपका आगे का सॉल्यूशन भी करेक्ट होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज part number 4. Sin 30 plus tan 45. Sin 30 plus tangent 45 degree plus minus cosecant 60 degree. In the denominator, secant 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. So first of all, find out the value of this term from the table. Sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. From the table we have the value of this term is 1 by 2. Tangent 45, this is 1. Cosecant 60, reciprocal of sin 60. In the denominator, secant 30, reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cot 45, this is 1. Now we will do the further solution. Take the LCM. We have to do here LCM of numerator term as well as the denominator term. Here we can write 1. So LCM of numerator, here square root of 3. Here we have 1. That's why we have to write here complete term. Then 4. In the denominator again LCM is 2 square root of 3. Then we have 4 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Now we have again 4 term. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second and fourth number की terms अगर same है, we can cancel these term. Now the further solution is like terms. If we have like terms, we can add these terms. Here we can write 1 square root of 3 square root of 3. These two terms are like terms, so we can add. So we have 2 and 1. This is 3. Then minus 4. Like terms, 2 and 1, 3. Then we have plus 4. सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट हो चुका है. This can be our answer, but in denominator we have a term of square root. That's why we have to do here rationalize. And rationalize कैसे करते हैं? Multiply and divide with same term, but change the sign. After rationalize, we notice here in the numerator we have same term. That's why we can write here whole square, and in denominator always there have a identity which is a square minus b square. So here we will use two identity which are a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and next one is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b and a plus b. तो यहाँ पे हम ये दो आइडेंटिटीज को यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट है a स्क्वायर, 3 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 3 एंड स्क्वायर, प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2a and b. In the denominator 3 square 9 and 27 minus 4 square, this is 16. Now solve this term. 3 square root of 3 whole square, 3 square 9, 9 3 ja 27, 4 square 16, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Subtract. So our final answer is add these terms. Minus 24 square root of 3, and in denominator we have 11. So this is our solution of part number 4 of question number 1. Okay.